Are you not tired of seeing your brothers? Are you not tired of calling people at home when you are in school for money? So if you are yet to go into schooling, I think this particular video will be more profitable for you. And if you're into schooling already, you are going to get some points which is going to elevate you right here. So howdy, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be talking about how I actually went from being a broke student to actually getting to have some money in my hand right here to be able to feed myself and pay for my tuition fee without disturbing anybody at home. And this is a legit business that we are going to be doing right here. So thanks so much for joining into this particular video, and if you are seeing my face for the first time, you can do well to give this video a thumb like, and at the end of this particular video, if you find this particular video informative for you, you can decide if you want to subscribe right here. So thanks so much for joining that, and let's go into the video without wasting much of our time. So the first point I'm going to be talking about right now is actually do not jump into schooling right here. So this is the issue we are currently having, and I keep saying this particular stuff, but people actually keep telling me this is not right, this is not right. So I want to know your opinion at the comment section after I actually say this particular first point right now. Do not jump into school, and it's actually going to be a best advice you're going to be getting in this particular year right now, because it is actually in the olden days, in our parent time, that school is actually the criteria, the factor that is actually going to make you a successful human being in the society right now. And if you actually see what is happening currently right here, you are actually going to know that even people that actually went to school are the one lacking more behind right now, because a lot of time are being wasted in school, and people that actually develop to finding their own skill, to finding their own self, actually doing more right here. And people that actually now combine the two together, finding yourself and going to school, now make you come out unique and outstanding right here. So this is what I'm going to be sharing in this particular video. So the first thing to do is not going to school. Firstly, is actually getting yourself, finding your purpose right now. And when you talk about purpose, I think people actually get this misunderstanding. Be like, hey, my purpose is to dance. This has gone beyond that. This has gone beyond those talents right here. It is what actually makes you happy, what you can actually do that you can offer to people. And the law of making money is actually providing solution. I don't want to know whatever you are doing, so far you can provide a solution to someone's problem, the value is going to be returning back in money. So we are not chasing the money first, we are actually getting a value out to people, then we are actually getting a value back again as a reward of compensation, which is the money right here. So that's why I said we don't jump into school right now. All right, so I get the point that okay, your parents want you to go to school, you want to finish on time right here. If your parents are actually capable to actually fund your schooling, and they can actually drop in your money for the whole semester, the whole feeding for the whole year, and the whole other expenses that you're going to be doing, fine, you can go ahead to go. But if you are the one that you are currently not financially okay in your family, and your parents cannot drop your full school fees in a year, they can't give you the full payment you are going to be getting to feed yourself for a year, you can't give you the extra money you are going to be needing for a year, I don't think you need to go into school right here. These are the things you need to do first right now. So we are going to come back to the people that can actually afford that, and what you can actually do to elevate that using that particular capital you have already. But for someone that actually don't have someone at home, that don't have someone that can actually give them the capital at once to actually go to school, so that you not try to be calling, because this stuff actually distracts you from putting your mind into academic when you want to like call, and you're not doing the things that actually make you happy right now. So first thing you need to do is to finding yourself and finding what actually make you stop right here. So I'm not saying you shouldn't go to school right here, because schooling is not the way to get education. I don't know why people keep saying this, why people keep thinking school is, you get certificate from school. You can actually be educated without going to school. If I'm wrong, you can go straight to the comment section and drop your opinion about that. Remember, this is not a financial advice anyway. This is for information and entertainment purpose only. So I just want us to like talk about this and be able to get some points right here, because I actually believe in myself, and I've done this to myself right now before I actually went to school, and it's actually helping me out right now because I already know that the school I'm going to is just for me to get more value, more understanding between the course I want to study more. But I'm actually not relying on it for it to make me rich or for it to feed my expenses right now. I'm actually doing what makes me happy, which is one of the things you're actually watching right here. You're watching this particular video is what I love doing, and you are watching it right here, and the reward of this is actually meant to be getting more profits right here. Alright, so I'm going to give you this particular brief story, and I think this is actually going to like get you to understand what I'm actually talking in this particular video in summary right now. Alright, so we're here to have a friend and I right here. So when we are actually to go into schooling, so we actually going to get admission in together. Then he tried, it wasn't gotten, and I tried, I got, right? So let's say I was lucky, then I was in right here. So within that period of time, I was in school trying to solve the YDS and thereabouts, and he focused now on getting what he loves to do. He loves to make crafts right now, like pictures and thereabouts. So he went ahead to learn how to become a photographer right now. So after learning to become a photographer, he started taking pictures right here, going to university, taking people, he's actually dressing. Even you can't actually know that he actually did not go to school right now, and he was doing that. So over the years, I am in school, my part 1, part 2, I continue doing that, while him was at the other side doing his own photography, learning, getting education in the area he actually loved to go into right now. So after I was about going to end up my year of studying right here, I get to know that he got an admission into school. Alright, so I was so happy that okay, fine, for the years he has been trying to get the admission, but he actually told me that he did not bother getting the admission, looking for admission again. He actually focused on his particular job right here, and now that he's financially stable to actually send himself to school, right? So he applied for some short courses that into photography that can actually get him a certificate, that can get him a contract job in any company, any organization right now. And now he's almost done and is well known as a photographer, which is also educated and went to school. Alright, so between the both of us right now, which I'm actually going to finish my schooling and getting my certificates, taking it out to look for a job, and the person that actually focused on getting his own skill and now is making his money while he's also schooling with his paid purpose, who will you actually like to be with? Who will you like to associate yourself with right now? You don't need to tell me because I know you're not going to associate yourself with me. You are going to go to him right here. So that is basically all I'm trying to navigate and all I'm trying to like see in this particular video right now. Schooling is actually not the best option right now, and I need to keep saying it. I'll keep saying it. Education is actually the best option. Be educated, and there are several ways you can get education, not until you have a BSc, not until you have a master degree, not on what people actually need is your value. With your master degree, with your whatever, if you actually cannot value anything out there, you can actually not be relevant right now, because the purpose of schooling, the purpose of being educated is actually adding back to your society, not only trying to get in money, sitting in a 4 to 5 job and getting salary that you can actually be sacked anytime. But when you are financially okay within yourself and you have the time to rest, you have the time to study, you have the time, like everything is going to be going smoothly for you and you're going to be happy about your life. So I think at this particular point you are going to get to know that alright, going to school early is not actually the best option, but education and finding what you need to do in your life and your purpose is actually the best thing you are going to be getting right here. So I'm going to be making more further video to open our eyes to a lot of stuff right here. And if you're interested in this particular kind of video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. I make videos about online investment platform, how to make money online. All I want to do is just to be financially okay. I am not competing with anybody. There's no competition anywhere. We are going to run our own race differently. So all we need to do right now is to find a way to be financially okay and be independent on our home. I'd like to see you in my next video, guys.